Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to diagnose the clutch release bearing problem. Like if your clutch is giving some noise, so what do you need to do? So we have opened up the gearbox here and this is the car here. As we can see, this is the clutch plate. The fingers are hard. This car was giving trouble. The clutch was very hard, so we have opened this up and this is the gearbox here. And most people, what they do is they do not change the release bearing, due to which the clutch becomes noisy. So how to diagnose the problem? So we just need to rotate this. So we are rotating it. So can you hear a noise? It's giving a noise. So this means that the release bearing or the throwout bearing is defective and this needs to be replaced. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like it, then hit the like button, share my videos and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Until then, take care. Bye bye.